Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can disable the automatic password saving feature in Microsoft Edge in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, if you want Microsoft Edge to stop saving your passwords automatically in 2026, this is how it works. You will need to access your browser settings in the first step. Here in Edge, click into these three dots and click into Settings. After that, navigate to the Passwords and Autofill tab to the left, click into Password Manager, and navigate or expand the More Settings feature. And here guys, there are two features that are relevant for this method. The upper one is the more relevant one, as to save passwords and passkeys. So disable it by switching it off here to the right, and that's going to stop Edge from saving your passwords and passkeys automatically. Optionally guys, there's option number 2. You may disable the autofill passwords and passkeys feature as well by simply switching it off here to the right. However, how you approach this guys is totally up to you. I will keep both of them switched on. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got somebody from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.